Hey everyone! Ever notice how quickly the weather can change as winter rolls in? One day you're enjoying a mild breeze, and the next, a biting north wind sweeps in, bringing real chills. What's behind this sudden shift? Let's dive in.
In late fall and early winter, we often get these wonderfully mild days. That's usually thanks to warm air masses drifting up from the south. Certain atmospheric conditions, like low pressure to our west and high pressure to our east, create a clear path for that southern warmth. It's like nature giving us one last gentle hug before the true cold sets in.
But then, true winter arrives. The northern hemisphere starts receiving less and less sunlight. What happens? A massive refrigerator builds up over the Arctic, a powerful high-pressure system known as the Arctic anticyclone. Cold air is denser and heavier, creating that high pressure. And air, naturally, always moves from high pressure to low pressure. So this huge mass of frigid air starts pushing south, and because of Earth rotation, what we call the Coriolis effect, these moving air masses get deflected and we feel that piercing north wind. It brings the deep freezes, snow, and everything we associate with a real winter. It seems like this is all part of a perfectly programmed natural cycle, and it is. But there's an unseen programmer who's altering those settings. That's us, humans. By burning fossil fuels and clearing forests, we're releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. This is changing the global heat balance.
The result? Global warming. It's not just a warm winter on demand, it's massive shifts in climate zones, melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events, heat waves, hurricanes, droughts, and floods. These are unpredictable and often devastating consequences of our actions.
Of course, we all desire more comfortable winters and lower heating bills. That's a totally understandable human wish. But the price of such warming through global climate change could be far too high. Instead of pleasantly mild weather, we get climatic chaos that threatens homes, food, water, and life on Earth itself.
So instead of wishing for destructive warm winters, we need to focus on energy efficiency, renewable energy sources, and protecting nature. Only then can we preserve both our comfort and our planet. Understanding the weather is the first step toward caring for our shared home.